when Pen Shop reached out to offer you to join the roster of the ambassadors for the Pen Shop, what made you say yes? Was it an easy decision for you guys to say yes to the brand?
Yes!
Why so?
Siyempre po, walang pagdadalawang isip. Talagang we said yes. Kasi, yeah, it's Pen Shop and hindi lahat nabibigyan ng ganitong opportunity. And we're so glad na nabigyan kami ng platform to show, another platform to show our authentic selves, our mga fashion styles, to our talents na nasi-share namin every time there's campaigns for Pen Shop. So, yes.
And who are we to say no? It's Pen Shop. They've been here longer than we have been, and we're so honored to be in any project that they offer us.
And I think, to add to that, parang Pen Shop kasi parang one of the brands that shaped our childhood. Kasi parang andyan na yung Pen Shop parang pag merong
Christmas
events,
party.
Christmas party, ano suot mo? Pen Shop.
Yeah.
So, parang na nag-offer talaga yung Pen Shop, talagang gingrab na namin yung opportunity. We say yes, and ngayon 1 year na, we're so happy. 2 more years with Pen Shop.
You said you recently went to Davao Oriental na tell us about yung experience mo doon na ano ko yung nahatid niyo tulong together with the Air Force na desert.
If we all just help together, you know, we create a one big meaningful impact. So, yun po.
What means to be cozy? I think yung katulad po ng sinabi ni Ate Colette kanina sa kaninang interview na parang huwag kalimutan mag-isip ng slowly, parang huwag ka masyadong magmadali. Bigyan mo ng sarili mo ng time na dapat kalmado ka lang, ganun. Hindi dapat palaging rattle, ganun. Hindi palaging dapat nagmamadali, ganun. Dapat bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng peace and hindi lang basta sa Pasko yung cozy, di ba? Parang bigyan mo ng parang every day is a cozy day.
Yes, and iba-iba naman tayo ng ways, di ba, para maging cozy. Katulad, Ate Aya, gusto niya gumagawa siya ng physical activities. Yung iba sa amin, gusto talaga nasa kama. In addition to that, I guess, coziness, or cozy, if you define it, is parang something that gives you the sense of peace and comfort. Kaya din kami iba-iba yung definition with it because we all have different outlets, different meanings of what gives us peace.
And take care of your health. Yes, opo, para hindi na kayo magaya pa rin.
What it means to be cozy, for me, it's giving boundaries sa sarili mo and sa ibang tao. Like giving space to yourself to think.
I'm Daniel from The News po. You will be in Coachella next year po. How do you, of course, it's going to be a diverse culture. So how do you make sure that you're going to bring the Filipino fashion in your mga costume niyo po doon sa inyong performance po?
Our creative designer, Ms. Aika Villanueva, she has always been in contact with our consistent local designers who is Inigo and Marian Zara. So, and Raf, of course. We are definitely not going to forget them, you know. We are going to go to Coachella, wear their designs, and be confident. And to bring local designs to the international stage would be such a pride for the Philippines. And I hope that it wouldn't just grow their fan base or their community, but it would also expand and with other Filipino designers.
At ko lang po, kahit hindi naman po Coachella or like international ganap naming Bini, hindi naman namin nakakalimutan talagang mag-corporate ng Filipino touch sa lahat ng bagay. Magpa-fashion man yan, music, and how much more po if international, di ba? So, sobrang malaking pride po yan and honor for Bini na dalhin talaga yung Filipino sa international stage.
Pag balik niyo na po ito sa Davao, this is my question. What keeps you coming back to Davao po?
The people, for sure.
Yes.
Kasi kada punta po namin dito, talagang may sumasalubong po sa amin. Kahit sobrang init man yan or maulan, talagang nandun po sila to welcome po us, Bini. Kahapon nga po, parang sobrang nag-worry na kami kasi umuulan nga. So baka umuwi na po sila, hindi na po nila kami maantay kasi hindi na. So nung lumabas po kami kahit sinabi po talaga na hindi kami
alam niyo yun, pwede sa ramp or like maulanan ganyan. Hindi po pwede para sa amin kasi talagang nag-antay naman po yung Blooms for us na mag-perform. So, binigay namin yung best namin talaga.
For Colette and for Aya, kasi marami po tayong mga Bisaya fans na yun nga po naapektuhan ng lindol. What is your Bisaya message to them na po to uplift them po in Bisaya po sana if it's okay?
Tanan nga naapektuhan sa earthquake sa Linog. First thing that I would say is my prayer sa inyo ha. Kay dili siya lilim, di siya sayon. May adto ko sa affected area mismo and bisan pag naapektuhan sa lindol kay grabe makakita gyapon ko nga naa sila'y kanang nagyapon sila'y mga smiles sa ilang mga nang so it makes me happy sad nga bisag unsa na mga hinahitabo they always choose positivity hapon and they remain resilient so na maka-inspire siya actually kay if ako i-relate sa tong kagalingon nga kung na ako'y mga times nga down pud ko kana ang mga natabangan kay parang akong mao na ako mahuna-huna nga okay sila grabe kay sila fighting spirit ako sad kay ganahan ko magsig kanang laban kay tungod kay naay daghan tawo nga mo laban so laban.
Ako sad as someone na naka-experience po og linog jud. Grabe siya kalisod na mubangon sa tinuod lang. Kamot na og ang yung panginabuhi ganing murag nawala ba. So, akong one thing lang po na ganahan ako sa mga Bisaya gyud na bisag magka-problema kay katawaan lang gyud. Bisag galisod na gani ka nang ipaagi na lang og katawa ba then magtinabangay lang gani. Muna akong number 1 na ganahan gyud sa mga Bisaya kay bisag kita po sa atong kaugalingon nagkamalisod ta. Pero kaya na ako nakita na video manggod nga kanang ano siya ba kanang tindahan and then lisod biya kayo mangita og food ganing samot na mag-close nga mga tindahan gihatag jud niya yung mga paninda ba sa mga tao pud nga nanginahanglan mas nanginahanglan kay anak siya mabalik ra man na niya so ingana nga attitude sa mga Bisaya sobrang kanang na-appreciate yun ako and kanang dili jud sila makalimot nga motabang gihapon bisag sila sa ilang kaugalingon kay bawo sila nga kamalisod pud sila so pero malampasan naman din nato tanan and ganahan kay ko nga para makita bitaw na ko nga nagka-problema ko nga ni feeling nako sobra ka dako akong problema pero makita nako ang gawas ganing nga mas dako pa ng problema pero nagpabiling gyapon silang ligon tinabangay so yeah, salig lang ta maluwas na lang itang tanan.
How does Biggie express authenticity through your style and music?
Individually, some of us have similar styles, but we all add our own taste. Like Ate Colette, she also has that necktie that is her trademark. And for Ate Maloy, she does love to experiment, which is good because honestly, it shows out of the box styles, which is amazing to me. And for the others, we love to be more classic with our colors, our silhouettes, and with music. We have always been expressive with music. We are always collaborative with our management.
Piling ko isa pag nagko-connect sa amin is our values. Parang kaming girls, siguro nung una, mga first years, talagang hindi pa kami super click with all our beliefs kasi galing kami sa iba't ibang lugar. Pero as years pass by, mas naging as one na talaga kami. Hindi lang as a group na kumakanta, sumasayaw, pero with our values, with our beliefs, with everything, iisa na kami, kaya we click so much and we agree on things, maliban na lang sa ibang bagay. Sa ba tayo nag-agree?
Ay, Jo. Ay,
Tayo din.
Yes.
Fashion, yeah, iba-iba tayong styles.
And to add po kay Sheena, feeling ko yung sisterhood din po namin. Talagang yun din po yung isa sa reasons kung bakit super connected kami as a group and as sisters. And attitude po namin na talagang pinapakita namin na kapag nagko-correct kami sa isa't isa, hindi lang sa dance, yung attitude talaga namin. And I think yun po yung isa sa reason kung bakit sobrang connected kami.
Finally, what message would you like to share with everyone here in Davao as we celebrate Cozy Days ahead with Benchmark?
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas po, Davaoeños. We're so glad to be part ng mga events dito ngayon sa Davao. We're so glad na makabalik dito.
And cozy days ahead, time to breathe, time to pause, time to cherish every moment.
Kana mga pause nga atong mabuhat sa atong kaugalingon, makatulong biya gid siya, maka-help gid siya nga mas sustain pa nato atong kaugalingon. Maybe for some gamay ra kay siya nga butang, pero kana siya very long and impactful gid siya. So don't forget to pause.
Medyo, na-challenge din sa pag-send sa sarili. Basta kung saan ka comfortable, yun naman yung pinaka-importante. Yes, kung saan ka comfortable, kung saan mo pinaka-feeling sarili mo and confident, just go for it. Wala namang rules sa fashion eh.
Huwag kang magpapatalo sa sasabihin ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Kung saan ka komportable, kung anong gusto mong isuot, pants, short, skirt, don't mind the people na sasabihin na, hindi bagay yan sa'yo. Kung gusto mo yon, go for it. Wear it and show them who you truly are.
I'd like to know what song from your upcoming album can you associate the campaign with, and if you can tell...
Pati katabi na ano.
Ay, bagay yung katabi sa cozy. Might be the perfect song for our campaign right now kasi the song talks about, you know, cozy days lang, parang may lyrics doon na parang, diba, yung bahay nyo na nasa bahay ka lang with your loved ones, longing with someone. Can't wait. Kinilig sa sarili.
So, hello Beanie, I am Aubrey from mydavocity.com. Welcome to Davao. I hope you are having a great day. So, my question would be, what is your favorite cozy season destination?
Siguro a place that I haven't been but I really want to, and for me that screams cozy siguro is maybe in Lapland kasi it's snowing and I know there's like a Christmas bazaars there, so it screams very Christmas for me. Christmas din kasi gives me a sense of comfort and coziness, so I would want to travel there.
For me, napuntahan na namin is London. Yes, kasi it's the perfect balance of city and greens, and super comfy, maliban yung lugar, yung mga tao are very chill and wala silang pake, and you can just be who you are without being afraid of being judged.